Hey y'all, real deal, Willies at Akins. It is the 18th of February, 2022, and we have two beauties behind us. Hopefully you just checked out the beautiful Stormtrooper F-450 that just released this morning. The vehicle is sitting right there, and we had these two diamonds behind us, and I was like, the analytics say you want more of Real Deal and Why Willies at Akins. Let's run it back again on the same day with more F-450 custom action. What I want to talk about today is the diversity that we showcase as a dealership and accessory store in offering different variations to you great customers, because not everybody's the same, and Real Deal gets that. And I love all of it, y'all. I'm down with the get down, no matter what your flavor is. That's the biggest thing you got to take from this video. Here we have a 2021 iconic silver bullet Western hauler. I mean, like, I'm not Rip from Yellowstone, but I'd like to go hang with those boys. Pull up this truck right here and just tell them this is how you roll on the Yellowstone Dutton Ranch one time. By gosh. So what we have here, y'all, the iconic silver, we took the bed off of a normal F-450 because we like power. We can't be having that detuned, non-powerful trucks. So this truck in a cabin chassis has 330 horsepower. This bad boy has 475. Which one do you want? I want the 475 and 1,050 pound-feet of torque versus the 870. I mean, like, it's a huge difference. So we take the bed off. We custom painted this one iconic silver. We've even got lights in the bed boxes, and there's lighting in there just so phenomenal. We have rock lights underneath. We have just so much customization on this one, so detailed. We've got the chicken lights running down the side, which I truly love, y'all. That looks so cool. Got to get some neat nighttime shots of this. See the chicken lights lit up right there all throughout. Got red for rear facing. We have the E-Series rigid lights out back as well for added visibility at nighttime. We got a bed liner from Akins on the top right here. Lights in every bed box I told you, but look at this, how elegant this rear is. SRQs that we painted silver in the back as well. So, real deal, why do you want a flatbed on a normal truck? We've already gone over the power, but for you Western haulers type people, cattle inspired, barrel racing, if you're involved in anything where you, or just a construction worker, if you have a need to tow a lot, this is a great setup. We also can add and incorporate a larger fuel tank or a fuel tank toolbox combo in the back. There's many options that give you easier use of everyday driving and towing with this setup versus a true bedded truck. It just has more ease of use of benefits to have a flatbed setup versus a bedded setup. So let's come around front before we jump over to the mean green, but it's the elegant truck throughout. It's a platinum, fully loaded out. All the amenities you could ask for: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. We've got great black leather on the inside with the Marsala stitching, twin panel moon roof, auxiliary switches to run all of our upgrades, power running boards. We are 2.5-inch leveled with Fox shocks. We've got American Force stars, forged wheels, looking so clean. This is a very westerny wheel. 37, 12.5, 22. The 12.5 I love because you're not so tucked together out back, and you've got no rubbing or issues up front. So the 12.5 or the 13.5 on a 22 is the money setup. Up front, I love the iconic silver, and didn't paint anything, as I mentioned, and you don't really have to. It looks clean and rugged all at the same time as we see it. Now, we go over to the mean green 450 bedded truck. Now, somebody's got to show some love to the green. Real deals are, you know, I'm red. I'm tried and true. I'm a red guy, but this is for someone. So I don't think I've done a good enough job of broadcasting this out to that someone. So someone that loves green, this is ACR Viper Green from the Mopar paint code. I know it may be a sin to paint a Ford truck with a Mopar color, but this was the color. This was a color that we thought was the right one to do if we were going to go to this level as far as making a statement. And this truck is a statement truck. So we've got Western hauler work with luxury and refinement, and we've got do anything that you possibly could imagine making a statement in this one. So the diversity of us here is what makes us special, y'all. So we got a 5-6 inch Kelderman air ride. This articulates and goes up and down. They're coming to pick up Rambo as we speak. I'm right here, y'all. Don't leave. So we got, we love it, y'all. We got satin black, we got ACR green, we did a full blackout on the front grille. Inside the headlights, black with the green. We've got green on the side, American Force Doom wheels, and 24 inch. We got 38 trail grapplers. The Kelderman components, we even did custom paint. Even your rear radius arms, we did custom paint with the ACR green. So legit. This is the most expensive truck we've ever done, but it's all there. There's no apologies for either one of these trucks. If you want to know what $300,000 looks like, here it sits, y'all. We're at $139 for this one, and mid 160s right here. So it's crazy how expensive things have gotten. We're not just throwing numbers out and being numb to that. We understand that this is a lot of money, but the components that we added to both of these are the primo components to give you, the customer, confidence, knowing that we built the truck how it was intended to be built, with the best of the best, so you can enjoy it in style and fashion. Let's go back to the rear. Clay, we did blackout on your mirrors, remove the texture. There's so much subtleties throughout this vehicle. On the inside, we even did custom paint on the door handles, your trim where the platinum is, and even painted everything black on your dash panel and Super Duty logos too. So there's just so much detailed custom paint on this one. You may say, real deal, the only thing that I'm knocking on this is it's a 21 and it has the small screen. Well, I mean, I know 4 inches is a lot, but it's not really when we're talking about something keeping you from buying a truck. So don't let a 8-inch versus 12-inch touchscreen get in the way. Tell me where you gonna find a 450. Tell me where you gonna find a 450 done up like either one of these and across the entire country ready for purchase. It's a rare thing, so we just wanna broadcast and let you guys know that these are both still available today, and they're standing tall, looking amazing. Out back on this one, did a true blackout here. We did the paint throughout here in the same agate black, and just smoked this top portion here. Just looks so incredible, and just a very subtle platinum in the green out back with rear SRQs. And the bumper, got your air line, and then your horn blaster, train horn, and compressor and tanks are all located underneath the rear there. A power bed cover. This truck right here, y'all, is the most expensive, but one of the baddest trucks we've ever done. I mean, we're gonna put a truck in SEMA this year, a F-450, and it'll be something maybe not even as nice as this one here. So keep in mind, across the entire country, we have 2 diamonds just sitting right here. We're about to put them on the pad here in a minute, but they're just sitting here, just ready, right? I mean, just ready. So diverse options is what makes us special, and you get to take part in it and hopefully own one of these trucks, y'all. So another video for you on a great Friday. It's a cold Friday, but nonetheless, we're still out here bringing you guys what we got going on in the automotive industry. We are your source, and we got, hey, hang on, I gotta show you. Look he's back. Guess who's back? Back again. Clay's back. We got Clay back. Yeah, I'm pumped, y'all. Thanks for watching. Do you like the cowboy hat? I have a lot of people saying they like the cowboy hat, so I had to run it back one more time. We're about to do some TikTok, so we gotta go. Peace out.